Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the performance of Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there are only few things that you can try so you can increase the performance of Filmora. The first thing is to change some things in the settings. And basically, now we will be needing like just to go to preferences or the settings. And from here, we can go to file and then we will be needing like to go to preferences, and if you cannot find this in the file, you will find this in the edit menu. So from here, you will find the general settings, etc. What we are interested in is performance, and basically those are just some editing settings, etc. So here in performance, you will be needing like to increase the performance of Filmora. So one of the important things is to enable hardware acceleration for video rendering and playback, and enable hardware acceleration for video encoding. And basically, that would need like to have like a pretty decent GPU so it can give some effects. Otherwise, it will be backfire and it will hinder the performance of Filmora. Of course, then you can go to the render and you will have like playback using the latest rendering engine for better performance. Make sure to check this one. And basically, in the media cache, make sure that you have cache for your files. And of course, whenever it is uh, filled, you will need just to clear the cache. You can like just automatically delete temporary files in 30 days, etc. Just make sure to automatically delete them when the project is finished or closed so you can not have your cache that will be filled. So basically, those are something that might help uh, to enhance performance of Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.